So here's how to sign out of Messenger on all devices. First, you want to open the Messenger app and then click on the menu on the bottom right hand side. And then you want to click on the settings button. Now you want to scroll all the way down and click on Meta Account Center. Now in this window, you want to click on password and security. And then you want to click on where you're logged in. Now you should see all the devices where you're logged in. Then you will need to select the account you use for Messenger. So for me, it's the Facebook account. So you want to click on it. And then you should see a list of logins on other devices, which you can select and log out devices from. Now you will simply click select devices to log out. And then you want to select all the devices that you want to log out. You can also select all and then click on log out to log out all the devices. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.